For commercial fishing. For fun fishing. For leisure. You can count on a Suzuki Outboard motor for your comfort and safety on the water. To keep it in its best condition, all the necessary genuine replacement parts and the periodical maintenance parts are packed together as a kit. It's called the Suzuki Genuine Maintenance Kit. How many hours or months have you used your outboard motor since the last maintenance? The Suzuki Maintenance Kit includes a set of parts that are replaced at different intervals. When the longer-lasting impeller or fuel filter need to be replaced, there are other parts that maybe should have been replaced even earlier. Why not replace those other parts together using a Suzuki Maintenance Kit for a total overhaul? Or you could also use just the parts that need to be replaced right away and keep the rest of the kit for your next maintenance. Use the kit to conduct maintenance once a year so you can ride with your Suzuki even longer without any unexpected troubles. Conduct maintenance at regular intervals to keep your Suzuki maintained with the kit. How you use your kit is all up to you. You'll also find that you'll get a better value with the kit, rather than buying all the necessary replacement parts one by one. And because all the parts you need are in one box, you don't have to worry about accidentally skipping a maintenance or taking the time to choose what to replace each time. It's that easy. And of course, you can use all the parts in a single maintenance. Enjoy your cruising and boating with a greater feeling of peace of mind. Whether you sail every day, occasionally, or just during the season, this kit is for all Suzuki Outboard motor users. The Suzuki Maintenance Kit. For maintenance, you can depend on the experienced and professional technicians at authorized Suzuki dealers. Be sure to perform the right maintenance before sailing and treasure every moment with your family. And if you're using it for commercial use, our kit promises you a better workplace every day. Whether cruising or working, Suzuki offers you safety and comfort whenever you boat.
Suzuki, way of life.